नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। This is JVN Dr. Vishal Saxena, Associate Professor in Mathematics in Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to discuss about a module trigonometrical equations and general values. This module is a part of the course Elementary Mathematics. So now we see what is meaning of trigonometric equations. An equation involving one or more trigonometric ratios of unknown angles is called a trigonometric equation. A trigonometric equation can be written as q1 sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cos theta, sec theta, cosec theta is equal to q2 sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cos theta, sec theta and cosec theta, where q1 and q2 are the rational functions. It means the two sides consist of the trigonometric functions, then such equation is called trigonometric equation. Example, let us consider an equation cos square x minus 4 sin x equal to 1. This is a trigonometric equation and not an identity, as it is not satisfied for all values of x. The equation is not satisfied at 2n plus 1 into n by 4. Now next we take the part of the solution of the trigonometric equations. All possible values of unknown which satisfy the given equation are called the solution of the given equation. For example, solution: all possible values satisfying the equation must be obtained. When we try to solve a trigonometric equation, we try to find out all sets of values of theta which satisfy the given equation. Sometimes in simple equations, and when it is easy to draw a graph of an equation, one can find out the solution simply by viewing the graph. This means the solution of the trigonometric equation can be found by the value of theta for the equation, and also can be determined by the graphical way. So the solution means the values of theta which satisfy the equation. Now a table is given, that a table is shown here for the general solution and for the trigonometrical equations. While sin theta is equal to 0, then theta is equal to n pi is the solution. If the equation is cos theta equal to 0, then the general solution is theta is equal to n pi plus pi by 2. If the equation is tan theta is equal to 0, then the solution is theta is equal to n pi. If the equation is sin theta is equal to 1, then the general solution is theta is equal to 2n pi plus pi by 2. If the equation is cos theta is equal to 1, then the solution is theta is equal to 2 pi. In the similar way, if the equation is sin theta is equal to sin pi, then the solution is theta is equal to n pi plus n pi plus it is minus 1 n pi, and pi n belongs to minus pi by 2. It belongs to minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2. When the equation is cos theta is equal to cos alpha, then the solution is given by theta is equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha. So we have seen here that the equation when sin theta is equal to sin alpha, then the solution is theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 into n alpha, where alpha belongs to minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2, and when the equation is cos theta is equal to cos alpha, then the solution is theta is equal to 2 and pi plus minus alpha, and alpha belongs to 0 comma pi. Then when the equation is tan theta is equal to tan alpha, then the solution is theta is equal to n pi plus alpha. When the equation is sin 2 theta is equal to sin 2 alpha, then the solution is theta is equal to n pi plus minus alpha, and the equation cos 2 theta is equal to cos 2 alpha will consider the solution theta is equal to n pi plus minus alpha. When the equation is tan 2 theta is equal to tan 2 alpha, then the solution is theta is equal to n pi plus minus alpha. So these are the general solutions of the equation. These equations. Illustration. Find the general solution of the equation sin theta is equal to 1 by 2. Solution. We know that sin theta is equal to 1 by 2. This means this is equal to sin pi by 6. So general solution of the given equation is theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 into n pi by 6, where n is 0 comma plus minus 1 comma plus minus 2 and so on. So it means here alpha is equal to simply pi by 6. Illustration. One more example we take here. Solve the equation sin 6x plus sin 4x equal to 0. Solution. Applying the formula for the sum of sin, that is sin a plus sin b is equal to sin a plus b upon 2 into cos a minus b upon 2. So first of all, the given equation can be written using this formula as sin 5x into cos x is equal to 0. So this is the equation sin 5x into cos x equal to 0. If x is a solution for the equation, then at least one of the following equations is true. Either sin 5x equal to 0 or cos x equal to 0. Conversely, if x is a solution of one of the equation second, then it is solution of equation 1 as well. This equation 1 is equivalent to equation 2. The solution of the equation 2 is given by x equal to n pi upon 5 and x equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, where n is equal to 0 plus minus 1 or plus minus 2 and so on. All these values of x and only these values are the solutions of the original equation. This session is powered by Digital Version 2, Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope all you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve your doubts and problems. Thank you.